Hey guys, this is Stephanie Farron, the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial for Tech Talks is how to screencast using ActivInspire software. The first thing you need to know is that ActivInspire software for the Promethean board is installed on all desktops and laptops in the school building already. So you should be able to access that without having to purchase or buy any of the software. Once you load ActivInspire, open it on your computer, you can load the flip charts you have or start from scratch. So I'm going to start with a blank one just so you can see it. This works really great when you're trying to illustrate math concepts and how to use it because you can write right on your board and then record it. So to find the video software editing feature in Promethean, you'll go under Tools and then go down to More Tools and then find the screen recorder. You can choose an area to record or the full screen. When you type the full screen, you're going to get this little box that will pop up, and you'll simply click record to stop recording. It will ask you to name your file before you start recording and where you want to put it. So I'm just going to leave it as record into my desktop. So I'm going to hit the record button to start, and then whatever I want to do, then I can write on my board. Once I finish my illustration, then I will simply click stop. It is going to auto-save into that video file, and then I can use that video file to look at it. So if I go back and I look at that recording file that I just did, it's going to open as a movie. So from here, you can simply take that video and embed it either in Canvas or upload it to YouTube so then your students can watch it. So that is a quick tutorial of how to record on ActivInspire.